In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a return policy on eBay. By the end, you'll have a reusable return policy you can apply to your listings, so buyers know exactly what to expect and you don't have to rewrite terms every time you post an item. Start on the eBay homepage while signed in. Move your mouse to the area where your account name appears at the top of the site. That opens a quick menu with account options. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the central hub for your selling preferences. Inside Account Settings, look for the section called Business Policies. This is where eBay lets you manage standardized policies for payment, shipping, and returns. Click Business Policies to open the management page. On the Business Policies page, select Create Policy. You'll be asked which type of policy you want to create. Choose Return, since we're setting up your rules for returns. You'll land on a form for your new return policy. Begin by entering a clear policy name. Keep it short and descriptive so you can instantly recognize it later, something like Standard Returns or Holiday Returns. This name is just for you. Buyers won't see it, so make it practical. Next, add a description. Use this space to summarize the intent of the policy in simple terms. For example, explain the general conditions you accept returns under and any guidance you want to remember when applying the policy to a listing. Think of it as notes that help you stay consistent. Now, in the domestic returns area, turn on Accept Returns. When this is enabled, review the on-page options that appear, such as the return window and who covers return shipping. Choose settings that match your business model and the types of products you sell. For delicate or high-value items, you may want stricter conditions. For everyday goods, a more generous window can increase buyer confidence. Scroll to the International Returns section. Open it, then switch on Accept Returns if you plan to accept returns from buyers outside your country. As you review the available options, make sure they align with your domestic terms where possible. Keep in mind that international shipping costs and transit times are higher, so choose settings that you can support reliably. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new return policy is now stored in Business Policies and ready to apply to future listings. Using a saved policy helps you stay consistent, reduces disputes, and speeds up the listing process. That's it. You've created a return policy on eBay that's clear, reusable, and tailored to your store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.